Jupiter, the king of planets, the largest planet in our solar system, reigning supreme with its colossal presence. A massive world, a swirling ball of gas and storms, a place of wonder and mystery. Jupiter captures our imaginations with its dynamic atmosphere and ever-changing face. It's a giant, even bigger than all the other planets combined. Its sheer size is mind-boggling. Imagine 1,300 Earths crammed together. That's the volume of Jupiter. That's how big Jupiter is. Its vastness is almost incomprehensible. If you could somehow stand on its surface, which you can't because it's made of gas, you would feel the immense gravity pulling you down, more than twice what you feel on Earth. But Jupiter is more than just big. It's a world of extremes, with a complex and fascinating structure. It's a complex and fascinating world with a lot to teach us about the universe. Scientists study its atmosphere, magnetic field, and moons to unlock its secrets. It's a giant laboratory helping us understand how planets form and evolve. Each mission to Jupiter brings new discoveries. So, let's take a journey to Jupiter, the giant of our solar system. Let's venture into the unknown. Let's explore its swirling clouds, its raging storms, and its intriguing moons. Each feature tells a story of cosmic forces at play. Let's uncover the secrets of this distant world. Together we'll delve into the mysteries of Jupiter, a giant among giants. Jupiter is a gas giant, made mostly of hydrogen and helium, just like the Sun. It doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. Instead, its atmosphere gets denser and denser the deeper you go. Imagine diving into Jupiter's clouds. You'd see swirling bands of color driven by powerful winds. These winds can reach speeds of hundreds of miles per hour, whipping the clouds into a frenzy of activity. The colors in Jupiter's atmosphere come from different chemicals. The Great Red Spot, for example, gets its color from a complex mix of compounds. These colors paint a beautiful and ever-changing picture on Jupiter's face. But this beauty is also a sign of Jupiter's intense weather. Storms rage across the planet, some bigger than Earth itself. Lightning flashes in the clouds, illuminating the swirling gases below. The most famous feature on Jupiter is the Great Red Spot. This giant storm has been raging for centuries, possibly even longer. It's so big that you could fit 3 Earths inside it. Imagine a hurricane, but 1,000 times stronger and lasting for hundreds of years. That's the Great Red Spot. It's a swirling vortex of red clouds constantly churning and changing. The Great Red Spot is a mystery. We don't know exactly how it formed or why it has lasted so long, but by studying it, we can learn a lot about how atmospheres work, both on Jupiter and on other planets. The Great Red Spot is a reminder that Jupiter is a dynamic world, full of energy and surprises. It's a place where storms can last for centuries and where winds can howl at unimaginable speeds. Jupiter is not alone in its journey around the Sun. It's surrounded by a family of over 75 moons. These moons are like mini-planets, each with its own unique story to tell. Imagine looking up at night and seeing not one, but dozens of moons in the sky. That's what it would be like from Jupiter. Some are small and rocky, while others are giant balls of ice and rock. 4 of Jupiter's moons are especially famous: Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. These are the Galilean moons, named after Galileo Galilei, who first observed them in 1610. These 4 moons are so large that they can be seen with even a small telescope. They're worlds unto themselves, with volcanoes, oceans, and maybe even life. Let's take a closer look at each of them. Section 5. Io, a volcanic wonderland. Io is the closest Galilean moon to Jupiter. It's a world of fire and fury, the most volcanically active body in our solar system. Imagine volcanoes erupting all around you, spewing lava and ash high into the sky. Io's volcanoes are powered by Jupiter's gravity. The tidal forces from Jupiter's pull stretch and squeeze Io, generating immense heat inside the moon. This heat melts rock into magma, which then erupts onto the surface. Io's surface is a kaleidoscope of colors, thanks to the sulfur and other elements spewed out by its volcanoes. These eruptions create a thin atmosphere around Io, constantly being replenished by the volcanic activity. Section 6. Europa, an ocean under ice. Europa is a very different kind of moon. It's covered in a smooth, icy shell, but beneath that ice, scientists believe there is a vast ocean of liquid water. Imagine an ocean bigger than all of Earth's oceans combined, hidden under a thick layer of ice. Europa's ocean is kept liquid by the same tidal forces that fuel Io's volcanoes. The constant squeezing and stretching generate heat inside Europa, keeping the water from freezing solid. Many scientists believe that Europa's ocean could be a place where life might exist. It has the three essential ingredients for life as we know it: water, energy, and organic molecules. Section 7. Ganymede, a giant among moons. Ganymede is the largest moon in our solar system, even bigger than the planet Mercury. It's a world of its own with a complex geology and a thin atmosphere. Imagine a moon so big that it has its own magnetic field, the only moon we know of that does. Ganymede's surface is a mixture of old, dark, heavily cratered terrain and younger, lighter, grooved terrain. This suggests that Ganymede has experienced a long and complex geological history. Like Europa, Ganymede may also have a subsurface ocean, sandwiched between layers of ice. This makes Ganymede another promising target in the search for life beyond Earth. Section 8. Callisto, a cratered time capsule. Callisto is the outermost of the Galilean moons. It's a heavily cratered world, its surface scarred by billions of years of impacts. Imagine a time capsule preserving the early history of the solar system. Callisto's surface is the most heavily cratered of any object in our solar system. This means that it's very old and hasn't changed much since the early days of the solar system. Callisto may also have a subsurface ocean, although it's thought to be deeper and more difficult to reach than those of Europa and Ganymede. Nevertheless, Callisto remains a fascinating world worthy of further exploration. Section 9. Unlocking the secrets of the solar system. Our journey begins with the giant of the solar system, Jupiter. Jupiter and its moons are like a miniature version of our solar system. This gas giant, with its swirling storms and colorful bands, is a world of wonder. By studying them, we can learn a lot about how planets form and evolve. Scientists use powerful telescopes and spacecraft to gather data, revealing the secrets hidden in these distant worlds. Jupiter's immense gravity has shaped the orbits and destinies of its moons. This gravitational force influences not just the moons but also the entire solar system. The moons of Jupiter, especially the Galilean moons, are a diverse bunch. Each moon, from volcanic Io to icy Europa, offers a unique glimpse into the past. Each one is unique, with its own story to tell about the history of our solar system. Their composition, their geology, and their varied surfaces are like pages in a cosmic history book. Their potential for life, all of these things provide clues about the formation and evolution of planetary systems. Europa, with its subsurface ocean, is a prime candidate for harboring life. Jupiter's powerful magnetic field traps charge particles from the sun, creating intense radiation belts around the planet. These belts are among the most dangerous environments in the solar system. These radiation belts are a hazard to spacecraft, but they also provide valuable information about the dynamics of planetary magnetospheres. Understanding these dynamics helps us protect future missions. By studying Jupiter and its moons, we can unlock the secrets of our own solar system and gain a better understanding of the universe around us. This knowledge not only satisfies our curiosity, but also paves the way for future exploration. Section 10. Searching for life beyond Earth. The possibility of life on Jupiter's moons, particularly Europa and Ganymede, is one of the most exciting areas of planetary science today. The presence of liquid water, energy, and organic molecules makes these moons prime candidates in the search for extraterrestrial life. Imagine finding even the simplest forms of life on another world. It would revolutionize our understanding of life in the universe. It would mean that we are not alone. Scientists are developing missions to explore Europa and Ganymede in more detail. These missions will search for signs of life in the moon's oceans, using instruments that can penetrate the ice and analyze the water below. The search for life beyond Earth is one of the most profound quests in science, and Jupiter's moons may hold the key to unlocking this mystery. Section 11. Jupiter, a window to the universe. Jupiter is a fascinating and complex world that continues to amaze and intrigue us. Its swirling clouds and vibrant colors paint a picture of a dynamic and ever-changing planet. It's a giant planet, a swirling storm of colors, a king with a court of fascinating moons. Each moon, from volcanic Io to icy Europa, adds to the mystery and allure of this gas giant. But Jupiter is more than just a planet. It's a colossal archive of cosmic history, holding secrets of the early solar system within its massive form. It's a window to the universe, offering us glimpses into the formation of planetary systems, the dynamics of atmospheres, and the processes that govern celestial bodies. and the possibility of life beyond Earth. Europa, with its subsurface ocean, tantalizes us with the potential for extraterrestrial life. By studying Jupiter, we learn more about our own place in the cosmos. Scientists and astronomers dedicate their lives to unraveling its mysteries. We gain a deeper understanding of the forces that shape the universe, from powerful magnetic fields to turbulent atmospheric dynamics, and the incredible diversity of worlds that exist beyond our own. Each discovery about Jupiter helps us understand the myriad of exoplanets scattered across the galaxy. So the next time you look up at the night sky and see Jupiter shining brightly, take a moment to appreciate the vastness and complexity of what you're observing. Remember that you're looking at more than just a point of light. You're gazing at a colossal world teeming with storms and mysteries. You're looking at a vast and complex world, a giant among giants, a planet that dwarfs all others in our solar system, a reminder of the infinite wonders of the universe. Jupiter stands as a testament to the grandeur and mystery of the cosmos, inviting us to explore and discover.